Today's medical-centric topic is olive oil versus vegetable oil. Which is truly healthier? When it comes to cooking oils, olive oil and vegetable oil are two of the most common choices in kitchens worldwide. But which one is actually better for your health? Let's compare them based on nutrition, cooking uses, and health effects. 1. What they're made of. Olive oil. Made by pressing whole olives, especially extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, which is the least processed and richest in nutrients. Vegetable oil. Usually a blend of highly processed oils from soybeans, corn, canola, or sunflower oils. Processing often removes natural nutrients. 2. Nutritional profile. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, about 70 to 75%, which helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. Contains antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, both great for heart health. Vegetable oil. Higher in omega-6 polyunsaturated fats. While our bodies need omega-6, too much, especially without enough omega-3, can cause inflammation over time. 3. Health benefits. Olive oil. Supports heart health and may lower the risk of stroke. Anti-inflammatory properties linked to reduced chronic disease risk. May improve brain function and reduce cognitive decline risk. Vegetable oil. Some refined vegetable oils can still be heart-friendly in moderation, but excessive intake, especially of heavily processed oils, may contribute to inflammation. Lacks the antioxidant benefits found in olive oil. 4. Cooking and smoke point. Extra virgin olive oil, smoke point, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees centigrade. Great for salad dressings, drizzling, and light to medium heat cooking. Refined olive oil, higher smoke point, around 465 degrees Fahrenheit, 240 degrees centigrade. Suitable for frying. Vegetable oil. Usually has a high smoke point, around 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 to 232 degrees centigrade, making it suitable for deep frying, but offers fewer nutrients. 5. Which should you choose? If your priority is health, especially for the heart, extra virgin olive oil is the clear winner. Its nutrient profile, healthy fats, and antioxidants make it more beneficial than most vegetable oils. Vegetable oil can still be useful for high-heat frying, but for everyday cooking, salads, or finishing dishes, olive oil is the better choice. Bottom line: best for health, extra virgin olive oil. Best for high-heat frying, refined olive oil or vegetable oil. Limit highly processed vegetable oils and aim for a balance of healthy fats in your diet.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.